Xero Tax is a cloud-based tax preparation and filing solution designed for accountants and tax professionals. Fully integrated with the Xero ecosystem, it simplifies compliance workflows, ensuring accurate and efficient tax return preparation for individuals, businesses, and trusts. Let's look at the key features of Xero Tax. Seamless integration with Xero accounting. Cloud-based access for anytime, anywhere use. Automated tax return preparation and filing. Built-in compliance with federal and state regulations. Secure client data management and storage. Real-time error detection and validation. Digital signatures for easy client approval. Customizable templates and reports. Let's explore the uses of Xero Tax. Preparing and lodging individual, business, and trust tax returns. Automating compliance and accuracy checks. Integrating financial data from Xero accounting. Facilitating remote collaboration with teams and clients. Managing client portfolios efficiently. Offering advisory and tax planning services. Meru Accounting has a team of certified Xero tax specialists who are experts in customizing the software to suit your tax practice needs. We help you streamline workflows, improve accuracy, and deliver exceptional client service using Xero Tax. Here are the services we offer using Xero Tax. Preparation and lodgement of individual, business, and trust tax returns. Client data integration from Xero accounting. Error-free tax compliance and validation checks. Digital signature management for approvals. Tax planning and advisory services. Custom template and report creation. Xero Tax is trusted by accountants and tax professionals for its efficiency, cloud-based convenience, and seamless integration with Xero accounting. Partner with Meru Accounting today to unlock the full potential of Xero Tax for your tax preparation needs.